Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello ladies and gentlemen, how do you do? I hope you always stay safe and keep healthy inside and outside. Well, let me introduce myself. I am Fitri Anissa Sitorus, a student of English Applied Linguistic Study Program, was graduated from Universitas Negeri Medan. In this occasion, due to COVID-19 pandemic, I would like to deliver my online presentation on 5th ISTIL 2020. My paper entitled Translation Method in Webtoon True Beauty as Digital Comic by Yongyi. In the background of the study, translation is a medium to transfer the information. Molina and Albert 2002 said that translation method referred to the way of particular translation process that is carried out in terms of translation objective. Newmark and Ordinary 2007 state that translation method related to whole text translation procedure are used for sentences and the smaller units of language. Webtoon is one online comic which launched in Naver Cooperation in Korea 2005, and Webtoon is also categorized as one of media of teaching in the classroom. Why the researcher chose to analyze translation method in Webtoon? Because the researcher wants to know how the writer translates into the version. In review of literature, this paper focus on types, process, and reason of translation method in Webtoon True Beauty as Digital Comic by Yongyi. And for the theory, this paper used Newmark. For the types of method, there are 8 types: word for word, literal, faithful, semantic adaptation, free, idiomatic, and communication translation. And for the process of method, there are 4: the source language text level, the referential level, the cohesive level, and the last is the level of naturalness. And for the reason, there are 2: start translating sentence by sentence in order to get the feel and the feeling tone of the text, and read the whole text 2 or 3 times and find the intention. In research methodology, this paper used Crosswell 2009 defined that qualitative data analysis is a research design is plan and the procedures for research to detail methods of data collection and analysis. For the data in this paper is the study use word or utterance, which is found in Webtoon True Beauty by Yongyi on online application in multilingual version translation. And for the data source, it take randomly and it limit on 20 episodes. Technique for collecting data use Bongden and Bicklin theory, which is the application will be downloaded from Play Store on phone. Click the Webtoon, the research collect the data, and then reading the story and the selecting word or utterance. For the technique for analysis data, it is use Mars, Haberman, and Saldana. The data collection indicate the process of collecting data. Data conditions stress to the process selecting, focusing, simplifying, abstracting, and transforming. For trustworthiness, use Lincoln and Guba suggest that trustworthiness use of 4 strategies: credibility, transferability, dependability, and comfortability. And for the result and discussion, it found 18 utterance in Webtoon True Beauty by Yongyi. For the conclusion, it can be concluded that all translation methods are found. They are word for word, literal translation, faithful, semantic adaptation, free, and idiomatic in Webtoon True Beauty by Yongyi. And for the suggestion, the people and the translation who want to translate bahasa into English, especially translate the story, they have to comprehend and master the basic theory of translation first, especially translation method. Okay, thank you.